In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to improve your resume, 2026 full guide. Polishing a resume can feel like a second job, rewriting work history, trying to make routine tasks sound meaningful, and staring at a blank page. In 2026, most applications are screened by AI before a human reads them, so copying raw robotic text is a fast track to rejection. Today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT ethically to turn a flat resume into a metric-driven, high-conversion document. We'll run a targeted keyword scan, rebuild your bullets with a proven structure, remove cliches, and format everything for modern tracking systems. Open your browser and follow along. Start with a comprehensive keyword and core competency scan. Find a real job description for the role you want, copy the entire text, then paste it into ChatGPT. If your interface offers model options, choose the one designed for deeper reasoning. Now give a precise prompt, for example. Act as an expert technical recruiter. Analyze this specific job description. Identify the top 10 mandatory technical skills, operational tools, and core methodology phrases required to pass initial tracking filters. Format your findings into a clean table with columns for required competency, importance level, and suggested resume section. This gives you a practical map of what the role truly values. Next, transform your experience bullets with the Google XYZ formula. Copy your current resume beneath the keywords you just extracted and prompt. Act as a senior resume writer. Rewrite my experience bullets for this target role. For every single bullet, use strong action verbs and the Google XYZ structure. Accomplished X as measured by Y by doing Z. Integrate the target keywords naturally, eliminate corporate buzzwords completely, and leave bracketed placeholders where I must manually input my real data metrics. This preserves authenticity while forcing measurable outcomes into each line. Now run an AI cliche and corporate buzzword audit so your voice sounds human and confident. Use a directive like act as an elite executive editor, scan my optimized resume text for generic corporate fluff, repetitive sentence lengths, or obvious AI-generated cliches. Highlight the offending phrases, explain why they sound robotic, and provide two alternative options for each that are direct, authentic, and professionally confident. Replace anything flagged with the stronger alternatives. Finally, format the document for modern tracking systems. Avoid multi-column templates, complex tables, text boxes, or graphics that break parsers. Act as an advanced data systems engineer and resume architect. Generate a clean single-column markdown structure of my fully optimized resume text. Organize clear headers for contact information, professional summary, core competencies, professional experience, and education. No nested layouts or horizontal lines. Paste that layout into your editor and finalize. Turning duties into a tight, data-backed summary helps you pass filters and speak directly to hiring teams. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.